High precision multimeter with storage bag, test leads, temperature line, and manual. DC voltage measurement display. AC voltage measurement display. Resistance measurement can be measured by connecting both sides. Diode measurement, the positive and negative poles need to be aligned. As a display, you can detect the line on and off. Capacitance measurement, discharge before measurement. NCV non-contact induction, does a sound when voltage is sensed. Firewire recognition, it will emit a quick beep. Flashlight display, you can see the location of the measurement clearly. AC current measurement display. AC milliampere measurement display. DC current measurement display. Square wave output measurement display. Temperature measurement display, use temperature wire when measuring.